Well, hello and welcome to a new video. So today I'm in the studio for a cake smash session and the theme is going to be subtle flamingo. So later I'm going to show you the cake and my setup. First I'm going to take down yesterday's setup and I want to tell you something about a little Q&A that I want to record on my channel. So stay tuned for my little announcement later in this video. But first, let's set up for the cake smash. So here you see the cake for now, but it's not finished yet. This is some leftover decoration that I got for my daughter's birthday party because she had like a flamingo theme, so I might use some of those. I'm gonna take that one down. This I had on yesterday for a cake smash session. Looks really nice still. I'm gonna do something with that situation. And here, so yeah, conclusion, it's a little bit messy here, but we're gonna fix it soon. Let's give you a little tour. So yeah, when it's just the girl by herself, no family portraits, I do have a second backdrop, maybe even a third backdrop there, but this is going to be a little bit different. I've actually already photographed the girl twice before during a sitter session, newborn session, and her twin brothers. I photographed their birth, I photographed their newborn session, their sitter session, their cake smash session, so I've had them in my studio many times before. So instead of doing several backdrops with the girl alone, we're going to do a family portrait as well with just like a neutral backdrop and maybe a portrait of the kids together. So I'm going to remove this floral one, which is really pretty but maybe not as suitable for like a portrait of the two boys and the girl together. So I'm just going to take it down for now. Okay, so here we go. We got some decoration, we got some paper fluffy balls, some honeycombs. I do have some gold banners as well. This is later to decorate the cake, and then I have some balloons here as well. The cake stand. So what I do is I usually have like one banner all the way, or I cross them. So one is higher, one is lower. And then if you have two banners crossed, you can still maybe place one banner in the top. I don't know. I think this one is the cutest one because it's just flamingos. I hate that. It's all like stuck. Why do these things always get so stuck? Like I have the same with like these star banners. They always get stuck. There's just no way to store them. No, I do have a little system to store my banners. This was not in there because this one was actually at home left over from my daughter's birthday. But yeah, I'm recording, well, I'm gonna record like a studio tour and then show you inside my drawers as well. Right now it's still very messy. Or I did like a KonMari where I'm actually like sorting out my drawers and then filming and like showing the before and after. Also because I am moving, I need to sort out my drawers anyway, so it'll be fun. But yeah, just gonna put some music on and then just have fun with it. Okay, so as you can see, the banner is a little bit too short. So I always have this like fishing line in the studio, so I can just tie it on one end to make it a little bit longer. Okay, so as far as styling, first I'm starting off with one banner. I'm just gonna put all the props there, see what it looks like, and see if I'm gonna add more banners. But first I need to get kind of like a picture of what it's gonna look like. Okay, so I've actually decided to just put the double banner on, like the kind of ones that match together. I'll put the link to the banners in the description. I'll kept it on the original thread. So here you see a little bit like the portrait part setting. So I decided not to use the banners. I like these ones too, but I think it's prettier the way it is now. And these ones are fun to hang in your house as far as decoration, but I think for the cake smash, maybe not as much. I'm going to put these ones aside and I'm going to decorate the cake. Okay, so let's get the cake out of the box. So the It's a drip cake, and the drip is made of white chocolate with some whipped cream, and the number one is like a fondant one, and this is just like cardboard. And I don't know if this is fun, but I thought maybe then the flamingo is gonna like peek out. And I always love to add some greenery as well. I think it's kind of cute. So I always kind of like use the same kind of leaves. So even though we don't start with the cake, I always place it in front of the decor for when the people come in. They can see a full picture of what it's gonna look like. I'll immediately remove it and place it somewhere safe, because we do have 2-year-old twin brothers in here as well in the beginning for the portrait photos, or for the family photos. So we'll start with the family photo. I'll just leave it here so it looks kind of cute. So here you see the cake in front of the decor. I think it's really pretty this way. It's pink. It has flamingos, but it's still quite subtle and chic looking. It's very pretty. I think very sweet. And here we have a second decor for just a girl alone. Here we have the bathtub. It's from newbornprops.eu. Here I might have just a little extra setup for if the baby is really enjoying it, the first portrait photos, like instead of the little bench. I really don't know where the bench came from. I bought it secondhand, so sorry. This will be my main light, Godox Speedlite inside, and then right here I have an extra Speedlite hanging in there. It's pointing towards the ceiling just to create a little bit of extra fill light. The ceiling is white, so it'll bounce off the ceiling. Here I have some extra outfits, like for the portrait photos, the mom can choose an outfit. For the cake, she has to bring her own outfit. So yeah, I have the welcome sign ready. Everything's ready. Little girl, we just finished. In the beginning, you know, she had to get used to the camera a little bit again. And then she started, you know, giving me some smiles, and she loved the cake, and she really enjoyed watching the bubbles when she was sticking the bat at the end. We did take some family photos in between with her twin brothers, so it was kind of crazy in here for a little bit to get all 3 kids together, because they're not 3 yet, like the twin brothers. They're still 2 and she's 1 now. But we took some photos, so they were great as well. Yeah, I want to do a Q&A. I want to record a Q&A, questions and answers, so you can ask me anything. Like, you can put your questions down below in the comments, and then I'm just going to record a video, maybe 2 videos, where I am trying to give like short answers to all your questions. Maybe some questions I cannot answer yet, or I just don't have the answer. But as far as I can answer the questions, I'm gonna try and answer your questions. So yeah, please leave all your questions, all your burning questions, everything you want to know, photography related, or just mom life related, living in the Netherlands related. Whatever you want to ask me, place it in the comments, and then I will go through them, write them down for me, and then record a separate video trying to answer all your questions. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment, your question. And then I love reading your questions, and hopefully you'll see me in my next video where I am answering your questions. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.